took the local leg. Now dancer Skitta star Thomas looking to the Red Bull Dancer Style World Final in Frankfurt, Germany.
My signature move, I even get a name. It's the same name as Skitta. You call it the Skitta flip.
You ever miss the flip and flop?
Never miss the flip and never flop. If I'm in a party, if I'm in a taxi, if I'm in a cab, anything, you name it. As long as drift start to play, my shoulder, my feet, or my head, something have to be drifting.
Dance in the place, get mellow. Hear me, I tell you. Something do my thing, chain do my bling. Skip my enemy, them me a little world thing.
You see what's going on? Yeah, and he came from Gabby then, so you see the power that he's shooting, the energy.
Drift.
I teach dance classes here. And my dream is always to have like my own dance class, having people coming, you know what I mean, to me, and I teach my classes. So my goal after that is to like have my own dance academy with people coming into Jamaica, taking class from Skitta, learning Skitta moves and all of that, and sharing my dances. A female will quicker to get a class than a male right now. A female class can actually have like 15, 16, 17 persons. If you look in a male class, yes, you will get it, but not that much as a female. Female have the edge over male in dance all of
Why?
course. Because, I mean, woman power. I'm from a ghetto. You understand? I'm from a ghetto, not going as where the ghetto is showing. So I got into dancing by always be seeing the parties and all of the dance genres them on TV by just watching television. When I choose dancing, dancing is like relieve my stress, make me feel good. When I dance, it's like I don't remember like anything. I'm just like in a different world. I entered dancing Dynamite. No, we didn't win. Never was the first place at that time.
Ready up, 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 ready up.
From I see where Red Bull is promoting that they're here in Jamaica and they have this nice competition, and from there I know that I have to enter this competition. That night I feel the nervousness on me, but I never make it take over my spirit. I choose to just stay strong, stay positive throughout it, and just looking for the best result in the end. Actually, the faith that I come with that night, I will give myself like a 85% out of 100 for the winnings that night. And that's my favorite style of dancing. That's my genre, you know what I mean? It's hip-hop, mixing everything together. R&B as well. One time I see that I reach down into the semi-finals before the finals, that's where I get in my little box and said to myself that you can't miss this chance because this is what you come for. It's like 1 versus 1, so it's like a battle. You can't throw over a girl that have male moves and female move at once, and she was that type. I know that I'm going to mix the break dancing, the flicking, the dancehall, and even the hip hop, the bone break, everything together. And that's how I use to like defeat her. At first, honestly, it was like a zone out for me. You know, it's unbelievable, you know what I mean? And at the same time, it was like amazing feelings. I feel overwhelmed.
Congratulations! You are our Red Bull Dance Your Style Champion 2023!
I'm not at the top as yet, but I know I can say I'm very skillful and amazing. You know what I mean? Because the thing is that I really practice very well. I practice very hard to produce my skills and get my craft together. I'm still working to get 100%. Enough we don't get chances like that. And if we do get chances like that, we can take it to bring our life on a different level or even change a life. It's a very good thing for us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.